Hey guys, what's up? In this video, it's Mailtime part 3, and as you can see, you probably can't see, but I'm on hide, because look at, okay, I got, on my other two Mailtimes, I got 2 gifts and 4 gifts. I got not 1 page, not 2 pages, not 3 pages, but 4 Mailtime pages, 4. Okay, no, this way. Okay, so shout out to Rose Girl, cause this is nice of you, very nice of you, thank you. To Hazel, cause she gave me so much. Look at this. That's 10 gifts. 10 gifts. And MCR Gerard Way. From all these people that I'm telling you. And he. It's cool. I'm gonna start from the back, and actually no, I'm gonna start from the front. That's how I usually do it. So Hazel gave me Kickin'. Oh, those are so cute. Okay, I'm not gonna wear them because I look my outfit I'm wearing right now. But thank you. She said hi you too, by the way. The must have. I have that, but thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Green beans LOL. Sorry, I'm reading. I think she's on mobile. Cute. Oh, that's cute. So I'm not wearing it right now because I don't want to mess up my outfit unless it matches. Then I will wear it. Casual headband. That reminds me of a thing on Hotel Hideaway, kind of. That's cute. Thank you so much. Random purple. Oh, they're so cute. They're like little very comfortable. So shiny. Wow, those are cute. Okay, let's see this. Flamingo Fat. These are all from the level ups. I know that, but that doesn't bother me at all. Like that doesn't bother me at all. Bunny girl shoes. Okay, that looks kind of funny. Oh, I'm sorry. It like kind of looks funny. Curly bit. Oh, those look like Christmas. Sorry, look like Christmas. Perfect. Thank you. Wait, let me wear it. Oh, that's actually cute. I like that a lot. Thank you. Okay, so this is Mr. Gerard Way now. Over the knee. Oh, those are cute. Thank you. Those are really cute. I love them. Okay, let's see this. Pirate earring. Where? Oh, so cute. Thank you. You guys. Okay, so there's this red one. I love. Thank you. Oh my gosh. You have amazing stuff that you don't wear. Level uniform. Okay. Wow, this is cute, you guys. I'm sorry. Just like a fairy. Okay, I'm not gonna wear that, but kawaii emo. Oh, that's kind of cute. Well, okay, it doesn't look good with the earring, but it's cute. Silky. Oh, that's kind of cute. I don't know if I like it. I don't know. Cute monster. Where? Oh, yes. Cute. Let's try now the Rose Girl gift. So grown up. Thank you guys so much for all these. Like, I appreciate it so much. Like, I can't even tell you how much I appreciate it. But I love you guys so much. I hope you guys really enjoyed this Mailtime video. And yeah. Make sure to just make sure to go to the people's pages that send me gifts and say thank you from Ella's Cats because they need it. They're so nice. Thank you so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and if you didn't, like it too. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time, and bye for now. Oh, make sure to subscribe. Anyways, without further ado, bye guys.